Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we import PDF in AutoCAD. So to import the PDF, we just have to click on this insert button, and here in this PDF group is an option to import PDF. You can click here or you can click on this arrow and there's a first option to import PDF. Apart from this PDF, you can also add DGN files, FBX files, or you can import another files such as PNG or pictures or anything. So you can click on this PDF import, and just after clicking, this navigation box appear. You can select the file. I'll select this file, click on open, and this import box will be created. Now here you nothing have to select, just click on OK and your PDF will be on your screen. It can take some time guys, and as you can see your PDF is here. Now you can edit it whatever you want to do. You can do all the stuffs with it. Now you can edit it or you can do whatever you want. So this way you can import a PDF, and yes, you have the shortcut guys. You have the shortcut that is PDF import. Press enter and again select file and select it. So this way you can import the PDF. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.